creating a move-out invitation with an easy and seamless process for you and your residents. Maridesk will help you to handle all the process through our digital move-out invitation, working efficiently and saving your time and your residents' time. Let's have a quick tour how to create a move-out invitation for your resident. First, you need to go to the move-out invitation page and click the Add button. Complete all the move-out details such as the invitation subject as the move-out invitation title, select the unit and resident that need to be moved out, and select the move-out date. After you click Save, all the move-out details will be created and sent automatically to your resident Maridesk account. Your resident needs to click Confirm this move-out invitation. After you have received the move-out confirmation, you have just completed the first move-out of one of your residents. If your resident doesn't move out within the move-out date, you could do a forced move-out for your resident. Our system will automatically move your resident account into the history list of the assigned unit in the management dashboard. And for your resident, they couldn't navigate to see details of the move-out unit anymore in their resident dashboard. An additional information for you, there will be an auto-selection for a substitute master resident in the unit. If a master resident is going to move out from the unit, a non-master resident will be chosen to be a new master resident. And if there is no resident in the unit automatically will become available. Join your management with us at management.maridesk.com and click sign up for free. All the features are now free to use. Manage your residential easily with Maridesk.